Hello and good morning. This public service announcement is about bone weakening disease, osteoporosis.
This disease is not infectious, but becoming more common, and it is preventable.
It is most common in postmenopausal women. It is caused by extensive bone loss in bone tissue due to gender, age, and diet.
Today we will inform you on how to take preventable measures against this.
Let's start with nutrition. You should eat foods high in calcium. Some foods high in calcium include dairy products, dark green vegetables, and soy products. You can also take calcium supplements if you don't get enough calcium in your daily diet.
Along with calcium, it is important to get adequate amounts of vitamin D. Foods high in vitamin D include fish, mushrooms, and cereal. If your diet lacks vitamin D, you can take vitamin D supplements. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium.
Not only is your diet important in preventing this disease, but also is exercise. Exercising on a daily basis will help strengthen your muscles. This will release tension from your bones.
Another way to prevent bone decay and ensure overall healthy bones is to avoid drinking in excess or smoking.
These harmful actions weaken the bones by causing extensive loss of bone tissue.
Symptoms of osteoporosis include thin, weak bones. It usually has no noticeable symptoms until you get a fracture, and then your chances of another fracture increase.
It is important to take these steps of prevention to ensure healthy and strong bones.
Act now to prevent osteoporosis.